fabulous executive living bordering Oak Mountain State Park. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty, 356-5412. Call on Colleen.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 3rd day of June. James Spann here in the weather office, and we are watching developments as a few storms are starting to pop up around here, but it still looks like tomorrow will be the best coverage of showers and storms this week. Here's some Skycam shots in mid-afternoon. First off, the view coming from Mount Cheaha. And looks like got a controlled burn down there. Oftentimes, the U.S. Forest Service will do controlled burns in the national forest down below the big mountain there, but the sky mostly cloudy. From Trussville, Alabama Spine and Rehab, the sky generally cloudy there. And down in Chilton County, that's the view coming from Clanton. Got a few cumulus clouds there, and a few of those have popped into showers this afternoon as expected. Here's a look at the water vapor satellite image around the nation. What an upper-level low just west of San Francisco, producing unsettled weather out in California. But we do note the ridge here beginning to weaken. And as that is the case, we think rain chances will be going up later today, tonight, and especially tomorrow. Here's a look at the convection at 2:30 this afternoon. Looks like a pretty decent thunderstorm there just west of downtown Birmingham. Other showers developing in various quadrants of the state, and those will probably become more active over the next 3 hours. Peak at temperatures, and Birmingham is cooler because of that nearby rain shower. Birmingham down to 81. We've got 87 for Tuscaloosa and Anniston, 86 for Gadsden. So numbers today, as you can see, not quite as hot as yesterday. And tomorrow, we're talking highs only in the low 90s around, or the low 80s around here because of the lack of sunshine. That's about 10 degrees cooler from recent days. There's the convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. Got a slight risk of severe weather from near Nashville back up to about Baltimore. That kind of gets down to the Alabama-Tennessee border. And then tomorrow, there is no organized risk defined here. Got some slight risk areas out west, but don't expect any big severe weather problems here tomorrow. But showers and thunderstorms, yes. In fact, a good chance throughout the day. There's the expected rain around the nation for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning at 6 o'clock. And this is suggesting rain amounts of about 1 to 1.5 inches here. The heavier totals down around the Big Bend area of Florida and up around Chesapeake Bay. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow. And you can clearly see that upper-level trough moving through here. And down below that, a broad surface low shows up as well. And that should mean a day with a mostly cloudy sky with a good chance of showers and thunderstorms. It won't rain all day, but it could rain at any time during the day. We figure tomorrow rainfall amounts of about 1/2 to 1 inch are likely for any one given spot. Some places could see more, some could see less. Now, the GFS is kind of back on the idea of this trough kind of stalling out. Instead of being progressive and moving on, it's now got rain hanging in there for Friday, basically for the southern half of the state. We'll still not change our forecast. We'll mention the chance of a stray shower Friday morning with a clearing sky Friday afternoon. And it looks like any showers by afternoon should be down in South Alabama. And Saturday, pretty much the same deal. The GFS is suggesting there could be a few showers on Saturday south of a line from near Anniston to Montgomery and Mobile. With dry weather for the northwestern half of the state. Right now, we have no mention of rain in the ongoing forecast on Saturday. And again, we're not going to change that for now. We'll keep an eye on that. And then Sunday, the moisture kind of backs in here. It's fairly shallow, but that might suggest we might need to mention some risk of a shower Sunday, especially for areas east and south of Birmingham. We'll see what the OZ run looks like this evening. Monday of next week, the moisture begins to come back, and that looks like we had probably better mention some risk of scattered showers and storms. And Tuesday, the moisture is deeper. And Wednesday of next week, a week from today, fairly moist air mass. So, again, for now, we'll maintain that dry weekend forecast, but understand we are watching the idea of the trough maybe not getting as far east and some risk of a shower over the weekend, especially for areas east and south of Birmingham. And there's the upper level chart for Wednesday. And boy, one thing about that, no heat wave for sure. In fact, that looks like a pretty fresh upper airflow for summer at 18,000 feet with a vortmax showing up there near Muscle Shoals. We'll jump out there 8 more days. This is the end of the forecast, the 18th of June. Now, that looks like summer. A whopper of a 588 ridge covers much of the deep south, shunning the primary dynamics well to the north, and if that's the case, the weather should be pretty uneventful out there at mid-month, but we've seen different looks. In fact, the look we showed you this morning had a trough in here, so a little model madness, not much confidence out there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening if you're local to us. That's ABC 3340 News in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.